Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to direct you how to improve speaking skill using a short story or English in situation with uses simple past tense. Well, we use simple past tense to express an action or an activity which happened in the past. The pattern of simple past tense is subject plus verb to. And then to make it negative, we use did not after the subject plus verb 1. To make it question, we must place did before the subject, then followed by verb 1. Then we also use to be in simple past tense, was or were, and then followed by noun, adjective, and adverb. We use was for I, he, she, and it. And we use were for you, we, and they. Well, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen and repeat after me sentence by sentence when I tell you a short story. Then you should also try to memorize it and retell it. Now please listen and repeat after me sentence by sentence. 20 minutes ago, the police broke into the factory. Frank was there. Harry and Lucky were there too. Of course, Jackie was there. The police freed her. They arrested Harry and Frank, but they didn't arrest Lucky. Why? Well, 1 minute before the police arrived, Lucky was in the bathroom. He heard them and he climbed out of the window and ran away. Okay, now please listen again and repeat after me sentence by sentence and try to memorize it and retell it. In the end, I will ask you some question about it. Now, are you ready? 20 minutes ago, the police broke into the factory. Frank was there. Harry and Lucky were there too. Of course, Jackie was there. The police freed her. They arrested Frank and Harry, but they didn't arrest Lucky. Why? Well, 1 minute before the police arrived, Frank was in the bathroom. He heard them. Then he climbed out of the window and ran away. Well, do you still remember the story? Now please answer my questions. Question number 1. When did the police break into the factory? Question number 2. Was Frank there? What about Jackie? Were Lucky and Harry there too? The next question. Did the police free Jackie? Did the police arrested Lucky? Why didn't the police arrest Lucky? Who were arrested by the police? Did they arrest Harry and Frank? Well, I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.